passive. So today we have to move forward, but before that, yeah, we have one idea in our mind that we should enhance our vocabulary also. So for enhancing our vocabulary, let's choose some vocabulary words first. So first is foppish. Foppish means foolish. He is a foppish word. We can make sentence like this. Torment. Torment means pain. He was in torment when I saw him. Number third one is caution. Caution is warning. He gave me caution. उसने मुझे warning दी. उसने मुझे चेतावनी दी. Next is censure. Censure means blame. He was censuring me for his hard luck. Detest. Detest होता है hate strongly. किसी से बहुत ज्यादा नफरत करना. So he detests me a lot. He detests me a lot. So let's move forward. Yesterday we did active to passive till continuous tense. So we will move forward today. Let's revise first. We did like in present indefinite में active voice जब हमने किया. So there was she plays hockey. She plays hockey. What was the rule? Rule was that we will make subject to object, object to subject. Always we have to use verbs third form. We will use by when we will make passive voice. So what is passive voice? Passive voice is hockey is played. क्योंकि is क्यों लगा यहाँ पे? Because आपका do does verb की first form s और es changed into is mr. Means your present indefinite tense changed into present continuous. Again and again I am telling you that knowing tenses is very important if you want to learn how to make active to passive. Okay. So hockey is played by her. Hockey is played by her. I will give one more example only because we have done it yesterday. So next is she is or my mother is worshipping to God. My mother is worshipping to God. So again subject will become object and object will become subject. So what will be the passive voice? Passive voice will be God is being. अब देखो is being क्यों यूज हुआ? क्योंकि आपका जो continuous tense है that changes into continuous only. आपका continuous tense changes into continuous only. Okay. So my mother is worshipping to God. God is being. क्या लगता है? is किसमें change हो जाता है? is being में. God is being worshipped. worshiped. Worshipped to by my mother. Okay. Only one more example I am giving because yesterday we have done this. Now we are going to do present perfect. Active voice में we are going to do present perfect. So dear student, present perfect आपको पता होना चाहिए पहले present perfect के क्या rules and regulations हैं. Present perfect में हम use करते हैं has and have, and that has and have changes into has been, have been. So rule is this that your present perfect changes into present perfect continuous. Keep this in your mind. Okay. So Rajveer has taken food. Suppose this is our present perfect tense. So how we will make passive voice out of this? Now subject will become object, object will become subject. We will use verbs third form, we will use by. So food is object, food has. अब देखो has जब आपका perfect continuous में change होता है we use has been then. Food has been taken by Rajveer. Okay, food has been taken by Rajveer. Okay, dear students, so let's take one more example. Sambhav has started a new business. Sambhav has started a new business. So how we will make object को subject बनाना है? First rule is this. Then we have to make subject to object. So a new business has किसमें change होगा? Has been में has been A new business has been started by Sambhav. Okay, got it? Very easy it is. So let's do our next tense. तो हमारा next tense, पहले एक्टिव वॉइस हमारा टेंस में होगा, तो next tense is past. Next tense is past. This is the easiest method of doing active to passive. Okay, so this is past. Past में हम यूज करते हैं did, और did के साथ हमेशा we have to use verbs first form. Otherwise, in case of simple sentence, we use verbs second form. Okay, and as the rule was for present indefinite, that present indefinite changes into present continuous. So past indefinite is also changing into past continuous. Okay, keep this in your mind. तो past continuous में change होगी, ये यहाँ पे क्या रह जाता है, ये रह जाता है आपका was and were. क्या रह जाता है, was and were. So active voice में we are going to take one example like she started tuition classes. She started tuition classes. So subject will become object, object will become subject. जैसे कि आपका पैसिव वॉइस है ट्यूशन क्लासेस. नाउ आई टोल्ड यू दैट योर डिड और योर सिंपल के साथ जो वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगती है, दैट विल चेंज इनटू, किसमें चेंज होगी वो, दैट विल चेंज इनटू वाज एंड वर. सो ट्यूशन क्लासेस वर started by her. Okay, now let's take one more example so that we can just keep it into our memory also. One example is Harsh spoke ill of others. Harsh spoke ill of others. Ill of others होता है किसी की बुराई करना, ठीक है. So Harsh spoke ill of others. तो क्या होगा आपका पैसिव वॉइस? पैसिव वॉइस होगा ill of others. Ill of others मतलब दूसरों की बुराई, ठीक है. Ill of others, अब spoke है ना, that will change to was. Third form of the verb spoken by Harsh. Okay, so I think it is clear to you all. Now let's move ahead. Now up there I told you that is, am, are, it's changed into is, being, am being, are being. Similarly your past continuous tense changes into past continuous only. तो was की जगह क्या लगता है, was की जगह लगता है was being, and in case of were आप क्या यूज करते हो, were being. ठीक है, you have to keep such things in your mind. So active voice है my brother was speaking truth. My brother was speaking truth. So active से पैसिव बनाने के लिए सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट, तो ट्रूथ क्या बन जाएगा आपका, सब्जेक्ट. ट्रूथ was being spoken. अब क्या आएगा इसके साथ, being spoken by my brother. ठीक है, truth was being spoken by my brother. One more example I would like to give you, like they were playing pranks. They were playing pranks. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि वो मजाक कर रहे थे. They were playing pranks. Subject object, objects, object will become subject. तो pranks को आप you will just keep it here. पैसिव वॉइस में ये आपका सब्जेक्ट बनेगा pranks. तो were being क्या लगेगा अब आपका, ये प्लूरल है ना, तो were being played by, they changes into them. I hope you understood this. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will continue. Thanks a lot.